Hello dear children, we can see different types of objects around us. Some objects are natural, some objects are man-made. So today we are going to draw man-made objects. Let's enjoy the activity. For object drawing, children we need this PMP Planet Art and Craft book number 3. Okay, then pencil, eraser, sketch pen, tissue paper, oil pastels. Now children, today we are going to draw page number 7. It's a pencil shading, 3D objects are there. All these 3D objects we are going to draw here, and then we will do the pencil shading, or if you want you can do the oil pastel shading. So in this video I am going to teach you how to do pencil shading as well as the oil pastel shading. So first, as the drawing shown here, we will draw the drawing. Circle, we'll draw this, it's a cube, then cone on it, little bit cube we can see here, then hexagonal prism. Okay, so here I am going to show you how to do the oil pastel shading. First we will color this circle. Children see, for circle I have taken 4 shades: dark, medium, light and white. Okay, white is a highlight. So first I will give the highlight here because light is coming from this side. So highlight is here, then it is a dark tone. Then I will use this red color as a medium tone, and I will merge it with this color only. If it is not possible for you, you can use the tissue paper also. Okay, at the end I will use this pink color. And then children, I will take a small piece of this tissue paper and I will merge it. So see, our circle is ready. Now we will color this cone. For that cone I am using Persian blue, cerulean blue and sky blue. So first I will color this dark tone. You have to give the highlight, then this medium tone, and at the end light tone here. Then I will merge it with white. And children, if you want, you can use a little piece of tissue paper or cotton and merge it properly. For this square I will use 3 shades of green. It is a dark green, means sap green, medium green and light green. So 3 sides we can see of this square or cube. So first side I will color with this dark tone because light is from that side. Then I will give little light tone here. Again I will merge it with medium tone here because shadow we can see here, and the medium tone. Now this hexagonal prism we will color with violet shades, or children, if you are having any other color shades you can use any color, no problem. So dark tone I am giving here. I am giving here violet, then light violet, and at the end it's a rose grey. If you are not having, you can add little bit white in light violet, so you will get this tone. After completing this much children, I will draw a ground line and I will fill it with yellow color. Now children, we will show the shadow effect of each and every object. Like this I will use little black color, and then I will merge it with yellow ochre color. So our oil pastel objects are ready. Now let's start this pencil shading. So children, I want to change the little bit placement of these objects. Okay. So first I will draw circle, means spiral here. Then here we drew the cube. Now I am teaching you how to draw the cuboid at same, but only the height I have increased. Okay. Then here hexagonal prism is there. So now I want to convert this in a cylinder. Little bit change we will do. And here cone. Now let's start the pencil shading. First we will start from here. Otherwise, if I will complete this, my hand, all that impression will get again and again. So I will start from here. Children, we can do pencil shading with different 2 to 3 ways. So first I will teach you how to do the merging wala technique. So I am giving little pressure here to give the dark tone, then little less pressure to show the medium tone, and here also little bit medium tone, light tone. So how, if I want the dark tone, I will give more pressure. If I want the medium tone, I will give little less pressure. Children, now I am using this tissue paper, small piece. If you want, you can use cotton also, and I will merge from here. After this plain technique, children, we will learn the scribbling technique. Scribbling, you all know how to do the scribbling. So first I will give a very little pressure on my pencil and I will scribble over all the object. Then where I need the medium tone, once again I will scribble on it. Then for dark tone, I will give little more pressure on it. Here shadow also I will show in a scribble. Now in this circle we will do the cross hatching, children. Cross hatching means first we will draw the lines far to each other. Then we will change the direction. Like this we will change the direction because I want to show the dark tone here. Then again I will change the direction where I need the darkest tone. There I will keep changing the direction and I will give the lines effect. You can increase the pressure also where you want to give the darkest tone. The last here, children, if light is from this side, this portion will be very light. Like this it will be light. Then here I will give the little darker tone and here darkest tone. After giving these 3 tones, I am going to merge it with tissue paper. Now children, I am drawing lines far to each other to show the base. Then I will merge it with tissue paper. Okay. And at the end I will show the shadow of the object like this, little bit dark, and then I will merge it. So our pencil shading and oil pastel shading objects are ready. Children, now see, we learned today how to color the 3D objects with oil pastels as well as the pencil. Which one you love more, you can try it. Let's enjoy the activity.